going on, ladies and gentlemen? All right, quick video. I wanted to shoot this out there. This thing came in the mail. A company wanted to send it to me, give it a shot, and you know what? It worked out. They sent me another one. Brand new one. I got another one on an older grease gun I'm using for lawnmowers. All right, that's on the trailer, but I wanted to show you what this was. This is the Saker. It's a grease gun coupler lock, and I'm telling you right now, Amazon, check this out, Saker. You won't be disappointed, all right? 14,000 PSI. This is your traditional coupler, all right, that comes with your grease gun. You're familiar with this guy, right? Let me show you what I'm talking about. When you're greasing things, I just want to give you a quick heads up on this. Now, you got your grease fittings, all right? I'm sure you're familiar with these. We got them on lawnmowers, we got them on cars, we got them everywhere. We got them on the back of my trailer. You usually would take this guy, you'd find the fitting, and you would stick it in. And it stays in pretty well. Now I'm here, I could hold it or I could stick it back in because it's easy accessible, right? But when you're reaching underneath a car and you're reaching in spots that are not that easy, you know what I'm talking about. Sometimes this guy here, it'll just fall off. And you're always looking for it. You're always trying to get it to connect. And you think it's on, and then it just slips right off, all right? I'm gonna show you something that's gonna blow your socks off, bro. Let's go back in the trailer. I'll show you how easy it is to remove the old coupler, and we put the new one on. And when we come out here, how easy it is. Now, you notice I'm wearing gloves. Anytime you're greasing something, you know your hands are getting dirty. So you're gonna put on gloves or you're gonna be washing your hands for the next 3 days. That's another good thing about this fitting, the coupler. You put it on, well, let me just show you, okay? Let's get back to the trailer. All right, we'll get back in here. You need a few things. Number one, obviously, you're gonna need the Saker coupler lock, okay? You're gonna need, just gonna use my adjustable here. You're gonna grab yourself your 1/2 inch. You're just gonna remove this. I haven't taken this one off, so let's see. I'm gonna hold it tight. And you wanna loosen it up. Alright, once it's loose, take this guy off. Alright, we're going to open this up. Take it out of the box here. It's heavy duty too, it's built pretty strong. I mean, look at this bad boy. It's got the end here, so when you squeeze this, it loosens it up. And then it locks on really, really tight. So we're going to take it, we're going to screw it back in. You want to grab your wrench. You could basically turn it by holding the wrench. I'm sorry, holding the coupler. You just want to hold it and you want to tighten it down. Pretty basic. All right, let's go back out and I'll show you what I mean about this thing and how easy it is. Oh, and let me do one other thing. Let's remove the gloves. I'm going to show you why. Besides, this is dirty. It might be a little bit. You come out here and you can see your hands are away from the grease. There's no reason for any of this to get all dirty and greased up. I'll show you how easy it is. Come back out to the trailer. All you're going to do is you're going to find your fitting. You're going to squeeze this guy and you're going to put him right on. It locks it in place. You could yank on this. It ain't coming off. And you do your greasing, pump it up, See it coming out right there. So we got enough. And as easy as this, look at my hands. Sparkling clean. You come over, you squeeze it, you pull it right off. Look at that. Look how clean the end is. It's like the grease is inside this jacket here. All right. Highly recommend it. Go out and get yourself. See if we can focus in on this bad boy. There you go. The Saker. All right. It's a great little shot right there. It locks on. If you're doing something underneath the car on a weird angle and you got to lock it in place, boom, you don't have to worry about this thing coming off. Some people might say it's a little bulky, a little big, but I'll tell you what, if you're running a landscaping business, perfect for lawnmowers. If you're greasing a few things under the car, not bad at all, and especially over here for the trailer. Boom. It's so easy. Let's do the other side, cuz. Let's just bang it in. It locks in. Look at that. Give it a few squeezes. Let's see. People are saying I should get a battery powered one or electric greaser. I like doing it by hand. There we go. See it oozing out. And again, you reach over, squeeze, boom, it's done. Again, go get your Saker. It's a Saker. And couldn't say more good things about this guy if you're into greasing your equipment and stuff. And look how nice and neat. You go put it away. Again, it's clean, like it's brand new. One more time. Saker Grease Gun Coupler Lock. Go check it out. Amazon. Good price. This thing's durable. I had one on the other one for about 2 months now. Guys are out working, cutting lawns for me. Haven't had a problem with it yet. All right, listen, it's good to be back. You're gonna start seeing more tool reviews. A few companies are sending me a few things. I want to, if they work out, again, if they're good quality stuff, I'm going to recommend them. If not, they end up in the trash. All right, we're going to catch you on the next one. What are we looking for now? It's been a while. Oh, wait a minute. I know. Yo, Sonny! Sonny, are you in this mess? Yeah, I know. Don't make fun of the trailer. I've been out of work for quite some time, so I'm just storing stuff in here. I haven't had a chance to clean it, but it will be cleaned soon. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. Oh yeah, one more thing. Subscribe to the freaking channel, cuz. We got some stuff coming out. It's gonna, like I said before, knock your socks off, cuz. And the other thing is, if you're new to the channel, if you're not, I got some Sonny stuff. Check the link below, the Teespring link. Anything I make on Teespring, I send to St. Jude. St. Jude's a great children's hospital. Do some research on it. If you don't give it, listen, you don't want to buy a shirt, I do highly recommend you donate to St. Jude. They do help kids in need, kids with cancer. Families don't have to pay for, you know, hotel stays. They don't have to pay the bills if they don't have the money. It's the best. I believe it's the best one of the best out there. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. Check out the Teespring. If you like my boy Sonny, you buy a t-shirt, $10, $15. Whatever I make on it, it goes right over to St. Jude. And we're going to hit 5,000 subs soon. So stay tuned. I'm going to have a 5,000 sub giveaway. I'm thinking it's going to be a big box store gift card. I don't know. I'll have to think about it. But stay tuned. Subscribe. Hit the bell so you know when this raffle for the 5,000 will be held live. I'm going to do it one night live. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. Sonny!
Yeah, Sonny.